Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look I'm gonna be doing today. I thought of trying out this very trendy graphic eyeliner look with very affordable products, and this is how it turned out. I hope you guys would enjoy watching this and find this helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel guys. And yeah, let's get started. My base is already done, so I'm starting off with the eyes. I'm using this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. It's a very affordable palette and very colorful. And you can see the pigmentation, it is very decent. So I'm using this matte red shade on my crease and slowly building that up. So if you are someone who is just dabbling with makeup and want a colorful eyeshadow palette, you can definitely pick this. Next, I'm gonna take this matte pink shade from the same palette and use that to diffuse the crease color up towards the brows. It's a good idea to always saturate the colors first and then take your time to blend and slowly build it up. That way you would always get the best pigmentation out of any eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the bright matte pink on the lid and reapplying the matte red shade on the crease to make it more vibrant. Then blending everything together to make it seamless. Then taking this pale orange shimmery shade and applying that in the middle of the lid. I was expecting it to show up a little more, but it didn't show up much. Then I'm taking that matte red and using that on my lower lash line. Then taking that orange and diffusing it a little further down. I'm gonna be using a white kohl today on my waterline. This one is by Wet n Wild, and you can totally skip this if you don't have it. I'm doing a graphic liner look today, for which I'm taking my Lakme Insta liner in the shade blue. These eyeliners are unbelievable. Not only are they super pigmented but also super affordable. I have them in all the shades. That's how much I love them, and I have already reviewed these eyeliners. If you're interested, you can check them up. The video is up on my channel. So this graphic eyeliner trend is very popular right now. What do you think of them? Do you like them or do you not? Comment down below. Let me know what you think of them. And would you try this look? Take your time with these lines. Do them slowly. The more time you take, the more neater they will come out and look better. Sometimes the angles of these lines do not come out perfect. They might look different from each other, but that's completely okay. Don't fret about it. No one would notice. Now that completes the hardest part of the look. Now we are gonna line our lower lash line with the Blue Heaven kohl in blue to match our graphite line, and I think it just brings the look together. These Blue Heaven kohls are super affordable and the colors are very wearable. I have a separate review of these kohls up on my channel. If you're interested, you could check them out. They come in green and blue and I have both. Next, I'm gonna use the matte pink from the palette and use that as a blush today. I'm using a highlighter from this brand called Cameleon Professional Eyeshadow. Now they are called eyeshadow, but they work like highlighters and they look like highlighters too. For lipstick, I'm using Inside Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Pink Curve. I have separate reviews of these lipsticks up on my channel. If you are interested, you could check them out, and they are very affordable. And for lashes, I'm using these super affordable lashes which I bought from my local store for 50 bucks. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.